The tile filter can be found here on the filters, tiling, tile. Tile filter tiles your layer, just simple as that. However, if you apply the tile filter, you will experience something like this. To solve this issue, go to your group and check fix resolution. Okay, after that, let's look at the parameters available for us in the tile filter. We have the center, which composed of the X and Y. Scale, it controls how big or how small the tiles are, and stretch, it just stretch the tile. And angle, the rotation of your tiles. Skew, it skews the tiles. As you can see, there's not enough spacing between the tiles. To solve this is let's add a shape on our group. First, let's turn off our tile filter and we'll return with this one text. Let's add the shape, a rectangle. Let's put that below our text and change the fill color and take the fill opacity from 100 to 0. Now, let's turn on the tile filter again. You can see there's a difference now from without the rectangle and with the rectangle and opacity turned up to 0. If you want to change the spacing between the tiles, just adjust your rectangle. So I'm gonna do that. So just like this, quite easy.